How to fix your PUBG Mobile account and unban in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check why your account has been banned or how many duration, and also check the time duration for your ban because it does tell you that. You want to also look for the reasons as well. Then you want to simply go ahead and read the PUBG Mobile terms of use and ban policies to understand what rules you violated. You want to simply gather important info like PUBG ID, in-game name, linked email, phone number, device model, ban screenshot, explanation of the issue, and simply go to PUBG Mobile slash or pubgmobile.com/support, and then this is where you want to simply click on the issue as account ban appeal and simply explain your circumstances. Once they've reviewed it, then if you have been mistakenly banned, then your ban will be lifted, but if you're intentionally banned, then you might not be unbanned. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.